What's up, my fellow budget travelers? Emily here with Travel and Ledger, encouraging you to put more vacations in the books. Today we are here at the Hotel Windsor California. This beautiful hotel is located right in the heart of Copacabana Beach. Copacabana Beach is the most famous beach in Rio de Janeiro, and as you can see, we are right across the street from it. There's a little restaurant, there's a bunch of little bars in walking distance, there's nightclubs. The subway is right down the street too, and the main attractions in the city like Pau de Açúcar and Christ the Redeemer are also in this area. If you do want to park your car here, it's going to be about $50 per day. And as you can see, there's this huge tree right in the front. So you're going to want to stay above the 6th floor or 5th or 6th floor because that tree is going to take all of your view if you are looking for the beach view. And at the top there's some rooms with balconies, there's a pool on top, but we'll get there. As we know, you're going to be spending most of your time at Copacabana Beach. As you walk in, you're greeted by the valet and the doorman, and they have these sliding doors that open automatically. The bar is right here, there's reception, then there's this little lounge area over here where you can just hang out, maybe if you're waiting for somebody to come downstairs, whatever. There's a TV there. There's a lot of artwork kind of scattered around everywhere, so it gives a nice little artistic vibe to this boutique hotel. The elevators are located right over here. There's a restaurant down there. There's bathrooms here on the right side. There are 3 elevators, so you don't ever feel like you really need to wait that long. There's some hand sanitizer at every elevator. And then here we go. Just to warn you, if the elevator opens to a whole dark floor, they do use motion activated lights. So just start walking and they'll all turn on. You enter your room, you have to put the key card into this holder in order to activate the electricity. Then when you turn the lights on, here is the room. They give you a couple options to put on your door. One is please make up the room, like please clean the room. The other one is privacy please. And then this one just says that it's been cleaned and it's been cleaned to like COVID quality clean. There's one deadbolt here. If you take the card out, the lights do stay on for a couple minutes. Clearly that's not my hand, so I want to take a minute to give a shout out to my friend Daniel from letshearit.live. Take a minute to check out his site. He does a bunch of podcasts and voiceovers. It's in the description. You do have control of the temperature in the room here, so it's all in Celsius. So just remember that it's not in Fahrenheit, it's in Celsius. We move on to the full-length mirror. They have a lot of mirrors in this room. It was really nice. And the bed, it was huge. The bed was definitely huge. They give you these cute little chocolates whenever they clean the room. There's 3 pillows, 3 different size pillows. And there's 2 bedside tables that kind of mirror each other. They both have a light on the side. There's a bunch of outlets under there, telephone. And this is the view. It's a beach view or ocean facing view, and that is Copacabana Beach. There's a little bench here for you to store your shoes under or sit to take your shoes off. And then there's a full screen TV, luggage holder. And then we have the mini bar for your convenience. But you do get charged for everything in this area. They end up adding it to your check when you check out. So just to warn you, everything will be charged, even the coffee and the tea. Whatever you touch from this area, you're going to get charged for. Your access to ice is right here. What you're going to want to do is take bottled water. Don't drink the tap water. Do bottled water and fill up the ice cube tray and then put it in here to freeze. But again, always use bottled water. Don't drink the tap. Here we have some loose hangers. There's an extra pillow, an extra blanket. It's a pretty big space actually. So you could have one for yourself and one for your partner on the other side. And they have sliding doors, so it's very convenient. And then again, we have matching loose hangers. The safe is on this side. And there's also a shoe caddy on this side and some drawers. They give you some free slippers for the room. There's also a laundry bag. They have plenty of hangers. It's a lot of space, I thought. And then another spare pillow. And then over to the desk area. I was surprised to see just how many plugs they have. There's all these plugs here, as well as kind of scattered all over the room. There's an overhead light there. Here's another plug here. There's another one over here, 2 USB outlets. There's more underneath here. There's also a spare blanket. There's one here on the way to the bathroom. And then even more over here. I'll walk you over to the windows. There's these 2 chairs that you can easily tote around. They're really lightweight. And then remember that tree from the beginning of the video? This is the view from the 6th floor, so you can see we're plenty high above it. And you can see above it, you can see the whole view of Copacabana Beach. Those little lines actually lead to showers that are right on the beach's end. So there's actually showers right on the beach there. And at night, this all gets flooded with floodlights on the beach. It's all floodlights. So here's a kind of idea of what it looks like with the natural sun coming through. But at night, it's kind of this bright also, just from all the floodlights on the beach. Now we go into the surprisingly huge bathroom. They have lights here. There's again outlets. There's a little vanity mirror here. There's tissues. They also give you soap, cups. Then they have Vinatage is the brand that they use for this hotel. So they have shampoo, conditioner. There's a hair cap, body wash, lotion, beauty kit. And they have a full-length mirror. This bathroom is like huge, guys, like really big. Here are the towels. They're not very plush, they're kind of thin, but they get the job done. And then here is the huge shower. I mean, look at where his feet are against the floor compared to where the shower is. Like, this shower is like huge. There's hot and cold water. And then here is some extra toilet paper. There's a little drawer here for you to store your stuff. The hair dryer is in the other drawer. And then a little garbage can. And then we have the toilet, and there's also a bidet. There's no windows in this bathroom, but there is a telephone. To go back to the windows, there's also a sheer curtain, and I wanted to show you what it looks like when you open the window.
The windows do open, and then when you open the window you really realize just how good the sound is inside the room, because I can't hear the sirens, the cars, these bars along here. Copacabana is peppered with these little bars, like that one and that one and that one, and they'll play music late at night, and there's another one and there's another one. But the window doesn't open that much, maybe like a handspan, so it at least gives you some.
So that gives you an idea of how much the noise does cut out when you close the window. Here we have the sauna. They have towels there, a shower. The gym is pretty small, but it does have like the basic equipment that you would need, like treadmills. There's an elliptical, bicycle, seated bicycle. They have free weights. They also have spring water that you can have and some fruit. I thought it was cool you could see Christ the Redeemer from the restaurant. Here we have the rooftop area. It overlooks all of Copacabana Beach. There's a few different places to sit with umbrellas. And then they have a small pool, but it does do the trick. It has a little shelf on there for you to sit. There's some chairs and tables over here, towels. Here's an idea of what the rooms with balconies look like. It's really common to rent chairs and umbrellas on the beach, so don't worry about packing any of that stuff. It's all rentable here. You just look for one of these kind of kiosks. You can see a little better here how they have the showers along the beach too. If you made it this far in the video, type Copacabana for me in the comments and hit that like button. And keep on watching because I have more reviews I know that you'll love.